Hey, I'm Ollie from Quicksilver Exhausts. Say hello to our new exhaust development for the Porsche 992 Turbo and Turbo S. This is our Sound Architect Titan system. Enough of my waffle, let's take it for a spin. Our 992 system features a Quicksilver signature, our Titan silencer design. That's a titanium silencer casing over banded and stainless riveted end plates, so you get the best of both worlds. Stainless, which favours the low-end punch with its strength where it matters for the pipework, and titanium for the casing for the ultimate weight saving, which also picks out the high-end transients in the rev range. Combination is a really pleasant note with a substantial weight saving. The 992 Turbo features Porsche's latest SBS valve protocol. When you're idling or you're at low speeds, the valves remain permanently shut. When you're in sport mode and you start heading north of 30 miles an hour, these valves open fully and freely. On Porsche's own sport exhaust for this car, it's mostly just programming. I hate to spoil their secrets. When you're at idle with the Porsche sport exhaust, the valves open, and as soon as you press that throttle and you set off again, they shut again before opening over 30 miles an hour, just like the Nonsport system. I'm pleased to tell you, you need not waste your money because this exhaust works with the sport and non-sport options.